This is the David Knibbs sale, and it's happening April 14th, 2012. Here's the 8570 John Deere tractor with 4,025 hours. David Knibbs has got a nice clean lineup of John Deere farm equipment, so make sure you join us. Stoughton, Saskatchewan area, east of Stoughton, Saskatchewan, or west of Stoughton, Saskatchewan. There's the John Deere 8570, David Knibbs, April 14th. If you can't be at the sale that day, join us live on the internet. Go to mackauctioncompany.com and click on live internet bidding.